Welcome. If you're a creator on Instagram and want to stay updated every time someone adds your audio to their reel, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the latest way to enable notifications for this feature using the Instagram app on your PC following the newest update. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find and click on the profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page. Next, look for the notifications option in the menu. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the notifications settings. Here, you want to enter the section called Push Notifications. This is where you can manage all the alerts Instagram sends directly to your device. Now scroll through the options until you find the section labeled Original Audio. This setting controls notifications for when someone uses your original audio in their reels. To make sure you never miss out, simply choose the option marked On. That's it. You've now enabled notifications for when your audio is added to Instagram Reels. With this update, you'll get notified every time your original sound is featured in someone else's creative work, helping you stay engaged with your audience and keep track of how your content is being used. This simple setup ensures you're always in the loop, so you can connect with fans, respond to trends, and celebrate every time your audio inspires new reels. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to explore more features and keep your notifications tailored to your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating.